The year is 1959. Elvis Presley rules the airwaves. A gallon of gas costs a quarter. Life moves at a slower pace, a world unfamiliar to today's digital natives. Imagine a typical day. The morning begins with the crackle of a radio, broadcasting news and the comforting melodies of Perry Como. Families gather in kitchens bathed in the warm glow of incandescent bulbs, sharing breakfast and conversation before the day begins. Children prepare for school, their backpacks filled with textbooks and handwritten assignments. Workdays revolve around factories, offices, and shops, each with its own rhythm and routine. The afternoon brings a welcome respite. Children playing stickball in the streets, mothers gathering on porches, their chatter punctuated by the rhythmic whir of sewing machines. Evenings center around family meals, board games, and perhaps the flickering black and white images of a television set. The day ends as it began, with the gentle hum of conversation and the quiet anticipation of tomorrow. For more nostalgic journeys through time, subscribe to Fred's No Frills videos. Relive the past, one frame at a time. The contrast between 1959 and 2025 is starkest in our morning routines. The gentle awakening to radio melodies has been replaced by the insistent chirping of smartphone alarms. Our first interaction is often with a screen, scrolling through news feeds and emails before even leaving the comfort of our beds. In 1959, breakfast was a family affair, a moment of shared stories and laughter before the day's demands took hold. Today, breakfast is often a hurried affair, consumed on the go, our attention divided between bites of toast and the latest updates on our digital devices. The morning commute in 1959 might have involved a shared car ride, a walk to the bus stop, or even a leisurely bike ride. Conversations flowed, neighbors exchanged greetings, and children skipped along sidewalks. Today, we navigate traffic jams, our faces illuminated by the blue glow of our phones, earbuds isolating us from the world outside our digital bubbles. The transition from radio static to smartphone buzz encapsulates a profound shift in how we begin our days. The focus has shifted from shared moments and analog experiences to individualized digital consumption, a trend with both positive and negative implications for our well-being and social fabric. The open road was a symbol of freedom and possibility in 1959. Owning a car, particularly a stylish tail-finned sedan, represented a newfound mobility and a chance to explore the burgeoning American landscape. Families piled into their automobiles for Sunday drives, vacations to national parks, and visits to relatives in neighboring towns. Fast forward to 2025, and the romance of the open road has been replaced by the reality of congested highways and the stress of daily commutes. While cars remain the dominant mode of transportation for many, the experience is far from leisurely. Traffic apps guide us through gridlocked streets, and the search for parking can be a frustrating exercise in urban navigation. Public transportation has also undergone a transformation. Streetcars and buses, once the lifeblood of cities, have given way to sleek light rail systems and electric buses. While offering greater efficiency and environmental benefits, these modern systems often lack the charm and character of their predecessors. The evolution of transportation reflects a broader shift from a car-centric culture to one seeking more sustainable and efficient alternatives. Ride-sharing services, electric vehicles, and even autonomous vehicles are reshaping our relationship with the road, promising both convenience and challenges as we navigate the future of mobility. The year 1959 predates the internet, smartphones, and the ubiquitous presence of technology in our lives. Communication was primarily analog, relying on landline telephones, handwritten letters, and face-to-face interactions. While these methods may seem quaint by today's standards, they fostered a sense of connection and presence that many argue is lacking in our digital age. Today, we are constantly bombarded with information, notifications vying for our attention, and a relentless stream of content competing for our gaze. Social media platforms connect us to friends and strangers across the globe, yet studies suggest that this hyperconnectivity can also lead to feelings of loneliness, anxiety, and inadequacy. The digital revolution has undoubtedly brought about remarkable advancements in communication, information access, and entertainment. However, it has also created a sense of constant distraction, a blurring of boundaries between work and personal life, and a tendency to seek validation through online personas rather than authentic human interaction. As we navigate this digital landscape, It's crucial to find a balance between the benefits and drawbacks of technology. Establishing healthy boundaries, prioritizing face-to-face interactions, and carving out time for digital detox are essential for preserving our mental well-being and fostering meaningful connections in the digital age. For more insightful content and tips on navigating the digital world, visit Fred's No Frills videos. Subscribe now and join our community dedicated to balanced living in the digital age.